Fire escape engineers, 227 Millburn. This particular fire escape, this is a short video, but this is only to say that this is a exit door, and right above the exit door is the cantilever. The cantilever does not have any weight system on it at all, so should it come down, guillotining down, it's about 8 feet off the ground. It would hurt somebody coming on the coming out. So this ladder needs a weight box system and some sort of weight release system so that it drops 2 to 3 feet per second, or if need be, we can move it over so that it's in between and to the right of the door over here. So let's see if we can use that upstairs and move it over so that when it comes down with the weights, it comes down slowly over this side. Right now it's could hurt somebody as they exit out during a fire emergency. It could hurt somebody. Fire escape engineers, inspect the summary video. We're here in Millburn, New Jersey, and this is Millburn Avenue. Fire escape here on this particular, this is one of 3. First issue that we have is fire escape must be load tested, or other evidence must be given to the official to avoid the load test, that the fire escape is in good order and doesn't need a load test, but we got quite a bit of rot. So there's some work that needs to be done to this fire escape. This fire escape will have to go through a refurbishment to avoid the load test. So let's start off with the first thing. There used to be a catwalk system here before they rubber roofed it, and they removed the catwalk, they never put it back, and this is currently now just dangling in the air right now. So this needs to have a catwalk system built in here to pick up this and 8 inches off grade so that, you know, the snow doesn't can just pass right through. Number 2, we've got rust that's going into all the tread connections. So 100% of all the treads need to be rebuilt. Rebuilt all these connections because they're showing signs of rust penetration, so to avoid having to load test it. Rebuild all these corners, and on these rails, the 1-inch tubing is rotted out, so all these tubes need to be replaced. All of them are rotted out. The through bolt needs to be verified inside, but it is a finished office inside. We have one of 2 options. We can investigate from the outside, and you might have to crack some of this to investigate. Or simpler, to avoid needing to go inside, put a leg here to the ground on top of a pressure treated sleeper, and now we don't have to load test this platform, and so not too far off the ground, but that will avoid the load test. Standard construction, it looks like 100% of all the major structural. These welded connections I have to either x-ray, or if I put 2 bolts in here, I don't have to verify these welds. So bolts, anything that's a welded connection, just bolt it and it'll avoid the load test. Scrape it and paint it. Fire escape is older than 1978, so you do have to have a EPA renovator's license. The city official does want a permit pulled on this, so no work can be performed on this fire escape without speaking with the official and pulling a permit. Fire escape engineers will also need to be doing the oversight during this will need 3 visits: an initial visit to work with the vendor, a mid-visit to verify that the work is being done as per the report, and then a final visit to avoid having to load test. The final visit is to confirm and sign the confidence test on this. Otherwise, the official will want a load test. The last thing is on this ladder here. Going down below, when you let this down, there's actually a doorway directly beneath this ladder because it's right up against the corner. And as soon as you lift this and you release it here, there's actually guillotines down. It's going to hurt or kill somebody. It's about 8 to 9 feet off the ground. So it's incorrect. This needs to slide 2 to 3 feet to the ground per second, 2 to 3 feet per second. So it does need to have a weight system up above it. Another possibility is modifying, since you're going to make a new catwalk, I would modify this and bring it over 4 feet so that it comes down, but it comes down away from the main door. So I would move it over 4 feet to the left here, since you're making a new catwalk system anyway on this entire fire escape system. I've got plenty of photographs. Any questions? Fire escape engineers, Inspector Manessas here, 800-649-3333.